The main reason why I did come was my consultant on the trip, Chris Nickel, told me this is one of the easiest trips that they've ever done. One of the shortest, most relaxing routes.
We're flooding.
Basically a bunch of old geezers chasing their old dreams. So hopefully it's not too tough.
We're the Bacon Bandits. Light the fire, stay with us. Hey, we're the Bacon Bandits.
All right, guys, here we go. First day, canoe's going. Just trying to get my stuff inside the truck. Gonna pick up Sleepy Kyle.
Whoa. See you later.
How excited are you to be on this nice trip we're taking?
Oh, I'm getting paid to do this. I'm not excited at all.
Is this your rape
What's
whistle?
happening?
Oh, you do look sleepy. Oh, goodness. What did you do last night? Yeah.
Mr. Sitter, how are you feeling about today?
Feeling good. It feels good to be actually seeing these canoes I've been trying to book for like over a month. Okay, so now that we're all here and we're on our way, the length of our route this year is 140 kilometers.
I thought it was 170.
Okay, 140. So we have 5 days basically.
Yes.
If you include like 2 half days on either end and 4 in the middle. So we gotta put, so I thought like when we did these trips before, like our really good, really giver days, we do like 25 kilometers.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long trip.
Like we need to do better than like our best days previously every single day, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here they are. So, hey, we got Sleepy Kyle.
Hey.
Yeah.
Just woke up.
Well, here they go again, 15 years later, and they're still loading canoes like they've got something to prove. It started a long way from highways and high-rises, deep in Ontario, and no, nowhere near Toronto. Out where the rock is old, the water is cold, and the portages don't care how tough you think you are. That's where the tradition took root. Every year, when the ice finally lets go and the days stretch long into the evening, the call goes out. Not everyone can answer it. Life has a way of complicating things, but enough do. They always do. What started as just a canoe trip became something else. 15 years of headwinds and hard miles, of campfire meals that taste better because you earned them, of frosty mornings, sore shoulders, and stories that somehow get better every time they're told. This isn't just about paddling, it's about showing up. For the trip, for the tradition, for each other. 15 years in, and they're not done yet.
Unfortunately, this somehow became a tradition that will not die. And it has to be 95%.
Sam, we gotta figure this out.
Gotta get the real stuff, and it's horrible.
Okay, let's move.
There you go. That's a good one.
It's actually a backpack. It smells like bug spray.
I think bug spray is preferable.
This is how we purify our
It's
bodies.
so warm.
We purify our bodies.
Can I just break it on the canoe instead?
No, just drink
do it.
it. Don't drink it.
Nickel puke. Somebody drink that.
Yeah.
Nickel pukes every time he drinks it.
You can do it.
Yeah, let's get this. Putting on a tough face.
That's how our canoe goes.
Okay.
All right, Kyle, let's go.
My bag.
Are we going already?
We're going.
Real man canoe does that.
Are we going already?
My inside.
This, yeah.
My first year was supposed to be 15 years ago. But due to a difference in opinions on the route, I never went till this year here. Well, the peer pressure just built up too much. Yeah, Adam stopped going, Nathaniel stopped going. Slowly, The vibes just were getting better and better. I'm not planning to do too much paddling, mostly just hanging out. Yeah. It's gonna be, let me think here. What else do I got to say? Something else popped into my head. Let's see. What else was I thinking of here?
Full Senskis.
Yeah, maybe that's it.
So, just, is that you who farted when you lifted that?
Heavy, dude.
Yeah, buddy!
So we've been doing this trip for 15 years, and the food has always been a little outrageous from the first trip. And now it's just part of the culture. But I think this year we really stepped it up a notch. So I'm looking forward to seeing what Chef Riley's got on the menu this trip.
All right, first portage of the trip. Just paddle, what was that, 11K? 11K. Paddle 11K, 600 meter portage. If we get this spot without people, I'll be very impressed.
We're paddling to our destination at Blue Lagoon, and it turns out we got some naked people on the beach.
Oh, I personally think we should camp with them.
So what happens next? Now we got to make a decision.
Okay, so
it looks like Braden and Riley have
Decided.
let them get ahead. They're a little slower. So
subtle dig, not so subtle dig.
So we'll probably still have another like 2 hours of paddle, like hour and a half.
if we go around this point right here that's the most exposed, turn right, there's a beach that you can camp on.
Oh, okay, so we just made it to our site. It's kind of a makeshift site, but all the spots further down the lake were taken, so we just kind of sent it for the slog, and yeah, we're on the next beach now. Time to make some food. How many K did we do today?
About 25.
About 25K.
25K, not bad for starting at 3 p.m. How many hours of driving was that?
So as of
7 hours of driving? Oh, you timed it.
that's since we left clear. So 4.5 hours, including the
4.5
portage.
hours straight and 25. That's not bad.
I'm pretty sore. When you do that amount of driving and then go to sit in a canoe for the 25K, it gets a little sore. And the first portage, I muscled too much.
First day, it's pretty hard. Paddled more than I wanted to. Most of my paddling is probably done today. And we're just setting up, cooking a bunch of food, wings, jalapeno poppers, having some beers.
Couple of nice bushies for the bush.
No, I don't have that.
None of us knew that Braden brought this case of beer, so it's a nice surprise for the first night. Stewie was pleasantly surprised.
Oh yeah, I'm sore.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Chef Boyardee here, Riley. Just sous chefing for him here, you know. Got all the oil cooking, and we're gonna do some chicky wings and some jalapeno poppers and matzo sticks. And this is gonna be the fast lane tonight, boys.
I just want to give a shout out to Riley's dad and Riley. Riley did all the food prep over the last few days. Also, his dad was there, Glenn, unreal chef. Yeah, he prepped all these chicken wings last night.
Gonna be a good night, boys.
Look at this beast.
Well now, this one didn't start today. It started days back. Gear sprawled across floors, coolers packed tight, lists half followed. One bandit rolled out of the British Columbia Rocky Mountains, another crossed half the country from Newfoundland, and the boys in Thunder Bay held it down with the food and logistics. The fire's crackling, supper's hot, and after all that prep and pavement, Year 15 is finally real. The Bacon Bandits are back.